Good morning. So today I will explain to you about the ITU publications and the International Code of Signals. So what is the ITU publications? So unsa man kuno ning ITU publication? ITU publication is a global organization under the UN that creates rules and standards for communication systems like radio, satellites, and maritime communication to make sure everything works safely worldwide. So ITU publication is gikan siya sa International Telecommunication Union. So, kini sila is ang official guidelines or rules sa communication system. In short, ang ITU publication is nagpasabot nga nagahatag siya og kanang standard rules kung unsaon pagki-communicate gamit ang radio, especially sa mga maritime. Ginagamit ni siya. And importante po ni siya for clear, safe, and organize ang pagki-communicate sa mga barko worldwide. And next, we have the International Code of Signals. So, unsa man yung International Code of Signals kuno? So, International Code of Signals is a standardized system of signals, flags, lights, sounds, and radio codes used by ships to communicate important messages, especially for safety and emergency. Kining ICSDI or International Code of Signals is isa ka system nga ginagamit sa barko for communication without using spoken language. So, ginagamit nila ang flags, signals, and lights. So, bisag lahi-lahi og language ang mga crew dito is magasinabot gihapon sila, it is because pinaagi sa standardized signals. So, for example, ang isa ka signal is nagpasabot nga distress ba ni siya, warning ba ni siya, or need assistance. And, mahara na. Thank you.
The Admiralty rules of signals is a system used by ships to communicate using flags and lights before radio were influenced. It was developed by the system. Its flag is a meaning. It can be a letter, number of message. Pwede po sila combine to form instruction like danger or need help. Importante kay ang rules ani because it ensure clear and organized communication between ships, especially during emergency. This system later influenced the modern signaling system used today under the IMDG code.